Here are top 5 best beaches destination every beach lover should visit. First stop, Boracay, Philippines. Nestled in the heart of the Philippines, Boracay is renowned for its powdery white sands and vibrant turquoise waters. Whether you're seeking thrilling water sports or simply looking to unwind on the beach, Boracay offers something for everyone. From parasailing to snorkeling, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget the legendary sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, creating a picture-perfect moment you'll never forget. Next on our list is Siargao, also in the Philippines. Known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao attracts surfers from around the globe with its world-class waves and laid-back vibe. But there's more to Siargao than just surfing. Explore the hidden lagoons, swim in crystal-clear waters, or simply relax in a hammock under the shade of a coconut tree. Siargao is a paradise waiting to be explored. Now let's jet off to the Maldives, a tropical paradise like no other. With its overwater bungalows, pristine coral reefs, and unrivaled luxury, the Maldives offers an exclusive escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Immerse yourself in the vibrant underwater world as you snorkel among colorful fish and majestic manta rays, or simply bask in the sun on your own private stretch of paradise. The Maldives is where dreams become reality. Our fourth destination is Bora Bora, French Polynesia. With its iconic overwater bungalows and turquoise lagoon, Bora Bora is the epitome of tropical luxury. Indulge in a romantic sunset cruise, savor exquisite cuisine under the stars, or pamper yourself with a rejuvenating spa treatment. In Bora Bora, every moment is a masterpiece. Last but certainly not least, we have Tulum, Mexico. Nestled along the stunning Caribbean coast, Tulum offers a perfect blend of ancient history and natural beauty. Explore the ancient Mayan ruins perched atop rugged cliffs, swim in cenotes hidden within the jungle, or simply soak up the sun on Tulum's pristine beaches. With its bohemian charm and breathtaking scenery, Tulum is a true hidden gem. So there you have it, the top 5 beaches around the world that are sure to leave you spellbound. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of paradise, these beaches have it all. So pack your bags and embark on the journey of a lifetime. Paradise awaits.